Imagine doubling your investments or losing half of it within just a year. How will the S&P 500 perform in 2025? Stay with me as we decode expert forecasts, key market indicators, and how you can position yourself to ride the wave or weather the storm. This is a must-watch for every investor. Hi there. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify complex financial insights to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving deep into what the future might hold for one of the world's most closely watched indexes, the S&P 500. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is packed with insights you can't afford to miss. 1. What is the S&P 500? Before we dive into predictions, let's quickly recap what the S&P 500 is. The S&P 500 represents the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the U.S., spanning sectors like technology, healthcare, and finance. It's a barometer of the overall health of the U.S. stock market and economy. 2. Key factors driving predictions for 2025 economic growth. Economists predict that the U.S. economy may grow modestly over the next couple of years, driven by technological innovation, infrastructure spending, and a gradual recovery in consumer spending post-recession fears. Federal Reserve policy. Interest rates play a crucial role. If the Fed continues to hike rates to curb inflation, we might see short-term pressure on the S&P 500. However, if inflation eases and the Fed pivots to lowering rates, it could create a rally for stocks. Corporate earnings. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft are expected to report stronger earnings as they adapt to changing markets. A surge in AI and renewable energy investments could also provide a significant boost. Geopolitical factors. Trade tensions, wars, or unexpected global events could introduce volatility. Staying informed will be key to navigating these uncertainties. 3. Possible scenarios for 2025. Let's consider two possible scenarios. Bullish case. If inflation stabilizes and growth sectors like technology and green energy soar, the S&P 500 could climb by 10-15 annually, potentially crossing 5,500 points by 2025. Bearish case. Conversely, if inflation persists and geopolitical risks escalate, we might see the index dip below 4,000 points, mirroring 2022's corrections. 4. What should you do? So, how should you prepare? Here are some tips. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Balance your investments across sectors and asset classes. Stay updated. Follow market trends, Fed announcements, and economic data releases closely. Think long-term. Volatility is normal. Historically, the S&P 500 has always bounced back stronger after downturns. Whether the S&P 500 soars or stumbles, one thing is clear: informed investors have the edge. Stay curious, stay proactive, and remember, the market rewards patience and knowledge. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights.